Hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel One and Only Pharmacy. So friends, in today's video we see detailed notes about chapter Ophthalmic Products, subject Pharmaceutics second, D Pharmacy second year. So friends, I wish you watch this video till the end. Let's start. Ophthalmic products, a definition of ophthalmic products. These are the products which are to be instilled into the eye in the space between the eyelids and eyeballs. Ophthalmic products means these are the type of products. These products are instilled in the eye, where this between the eyelids and eyeballs. Like types of ophthalmic products, there are following five types of ophthalmic products. These are eye drops, eye lotions or eye washes. Third, eye ointments, eye suspensions, contact lens solution. These are the five types of ophthalmic products. Let's see again definition. Ophtha means eye. Products means products. Ophthalmic products means eye related products. Definition. These are the products which are to be instilled into the eye in the space between the eyelids and eyeballs are called as ophthalmic products. And there are five types of ophthalmic products. Let's see one by one in detail. First, eye drops. Definition. Eye drops are sterile. Sterile means free from microorganism. Aqueous or oily solutions or suspensions for installation into the eye. What is eye drops? Eye drops are sterile, aqueous or oily solutions or suspensions for installation into the eye. I called as eye drops. Ideal qualities of eye drops. First quality, they should be sterile. That means free from organism. Second, they should be free from foreign particles. That means dust particles. Third, they should be isotonic with lacrimal secretions. That means eye drops osmotic pressure and lacrimal osmotic pressure is same. Isotonic means same osmotic pressure with lacrimal secretions. Fourth, they should be chemically stable. That means there is no chemically any interactions are occurred. That's chemically stable. Fifth, they usually contain substances having antiseptic, anesthetic, mydriatic, miotic properties. These are the eye drops containing properties. Anesthetic means loss of sensation, mydriatic and miotic property, that means dilation of pupil or concentration of pupil, constriction of pupil. Antiseptics means organism, any microorganism growth stop, living microorganism. These are come under eye drops. Requirements of container and labeling conditions for eye drops. There follows container conditions. How eye drops container should must have. Let's see. Eye drops are packed in small volume container, that is 5 to 10 ml. We see generally eye drops are very small. That's not a 500 ml, 1000 ml big container. These are very small. That is 5 to 10 ml. Eye drops container is colorless or umber colored, small volume, narrow mouth glass bottle with the dropper in the pack. These are the container conditions. How eye drops container must have. Next point, the container of eye drops should have following properties. What is the properties? Let's following properties. It should comply with test for alkalinity of glass. Second property, it should protect light sensitive drugs, because sometimes drugs are deteriorate about presence of light. So container of eye drops should be light sensitive. That means there is no any effect on container because of uh, light. Third point, it should have satisfactory sealing properties. That means it is a perfectly packed. That means no any leakage of drugs from the container. These are the container properties. Next point, label conditions for eye drops. Following conditions eye drops must have. First, a written. First, for external use only. Second, use the solution within 1 month after opening the container is the second conditions. Third, if irritation persists, discontinue the use and consult the physician. If there is any irritation due to presence of drugs, then inform the physician and stop the therapy. Fourth, do not touch the tip of a dropper since it may contaminate the solution. Why don't touch the tip? Because our hands contains a microorganism that it deteriorates the solution or it's become a useless solution. So don't use or not touch the tip of a dropper. And fifth condition, not for injection. It is a external preparation, not a internal. So it's only drop. Its name is a eye drops. Eye drops means it's only drops, not a dose, multiple dose, etc. These are the five conditions. It's very important topic about the generally asked in exam. Give the label conditions for eye drops. There are five eye drops. Next point, method of preparation of eye drops. How eye drops are prepared. Dissolution of drug in a suitable sterile solvent. Transfer of solution Transfer of solution into a sterile container solvent. And third point, sterilization of final container. Let's see once again method of preparation of eye drops. There are three methods. First, dissolution of a drug in a suitable sterile solvent. That means drug is added in a sterile solvent. Second, transfer of solution into a sterile container of solvent. On third point, sterilization of final container, etc. Method of preparation of eye drops. Additives used in eye drops. Which types of additives used in eye drops? There are 6 types of additives used in eye drops, which are this. First, vehicles. That second, preservative. Third, buffering agent. Fourth, thickening agent. Fifth, antioxidants. Sixth, tonicity contributor. These are the 6 additives or excipients used in eye drops. Let's see one by one in detail. Vehicles. It contains aqueous vehicles such as sterile water for injection IP or oily vehicles such as sterile oils. These are the 2 types of oils. Vehicles. What is the role of vehicles? It means the increase the dose or content. About if our drug is 0.5 gram, we added a 5 total 5 gram, that means it's become a total solution is 5.5 gram. It's a vehicles or additives. Second, preservatives. It contains preservatives to prevent microbial growth. Why we added preservatives in our eye drops? Because of prevent the microbial growth. Microbial growth is hazardous to our eye irritation for eye. Example of preservatives: benzyl alkonium chloride 0.01%. Second example, phenyl mercuric nitrate or acetate, content about that drug 0.002%. These are the preservatives we are used in the preparation of eye drops. Third point, buffering agents to maintain suitable pH stability. What's the role of buffering agents? To maintain suitable pH stability. Example of buffering agents: boric acid solution pH about 5, phosphate buffer pH 5.9 to 8. These are the buffering agents. Fourth one, thickening agent to maintain acceptable viscosity. Why thickening? Thick means viscous. To maintain acceptable viscosity. Example, methyl cellulose. Fifth, antioxidants to prevent oxidation of product. Example, sodium bisulfate. Antioxidants. Anti means oppose or prevent oxidation. Oxidants means oxidation. To prevent oxidation of product. Example, sodium bisulfate. Sixth point, tonicity modifier to maintain isotonicity. Example, sodium chloride solution. Isotonicity means isotonic solution means osmotic pressure is same as that of condition, that means lacrimal secretion. Second point, eye lotions. Now we complete detailed study about eye drops. Second point, eye lotions. Definition of eye lotions. Eye lotions are sterile, dilute or concentrated aqueous solution of medicament used for washing of the eye or wetting of the eye. are called as eye lotions. Eye lotions are usually applied to eye by means of eye bath. They are dispensed in concentrated form and should be diluted with warm water before use. They should be prepared freshly and should not be stored for more than 2 to 3 days as they may be contaminated with microorganisms on prolonged storage. What's the difference between eye drops and eye lotions? Eye lotions are a short duration of action. That means today we are prepared, then only 2 to 3 under the 2 to 3 days we are used. But eye drops we use 1 year, 2 3 year, etc. Expiry is long in eye drops, but eye lotions are expiry is very near. That means negligible, 2 to 3 days. Thank you guys for watching this video till the end. Do like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for pharmacy related daily videos. Especially I uploaded pharmacy related videos, D pharmacy students, pharmaceutics, pharmacognosy, etc. Thank you guys. Let's see once again what topics we are cover in today's video. Eye lotions, definition of eye lotions and some study about eye lotions and detailed study about eye drops. These are the additives used in eye drops. There are 6 types of additives: vehicles, preservatives, buffering agents, thickening agents, antioxidants, and tonicity contributor. Method of preparation of eye drops. Label conditions for eye drops. There are 5 label conditions. Requirements of container and labeling conditions for eye drops. The container of eye drops should have following properties: definition of eye drops, ideal qualities of eye drops, or definition of ophthalmic products, types of ophthalmic products, etc. Thank you guys.